So how do you insert an image into email signature on an iPhone? I'm going to show you what could work, and yeah, hopefully it's going to work for you because there isn't any official way to do it. But if you go to your settings app and find the apps section at the bottom like this, you can proceed to the mail. So I'm going to jump to the M and open up the mail as such, and plenty of different things I can customize, but one of them should definitely be the signature right there. So as you can see, I can tap on it and customize it a little bit. Right, so the point is that, of course, in here I can type in a word description like a greeting or signature, which is going to appear at the end of the sent emails from my device. However, you have the ability to open up your Notes app and set up a brand new note where you can import photo from your gallery. Right, so as you can see, I have this signature of these 3 words and 1 picture. If you want to create it the same way, just type something in and also attach the image using the paperclip like that, and you will have the ability to attach it or, make it show up inside of the Notes app. But my point is that if I select those things like that, like if I select everything including the image, and if I click on a copy, there is a chance that it's going to work when I paste it into the email signature into the settings. So sometimes it works, sometimes it's not as reliable. So as you can see, for me, it kind of showed up right now. So as you can tell, I can save it as such, and it should be now saved as my signature, right? So whenever I send an email, it could show up as this picture. I'm saying it could because sometimes it does not work. I've tried it a few times, but I always noticed that whenever I send a new email, I essentially send it to myself, right? And there is this image, but it's a question whether it loads up on the other phone or not. So you can give it a try. Hopefully it's going to work for you, but that is what I found the only way to add the photo into the email signature. Outside of that, we simply don't have the option. And the only thing we can do outside of this is to get a third-party mail app, which will hopefully have different settings. So yeah, the only real option and the only alternative outside of the Apple Mail is the Outlook, where you do have the ability to add pictures into the signature very easily. So you can consider using this application instead, because inside of the Outlook, you have the option to go to your account and click on settings and find a signature right in here, and you definitely have the ability to officially add images right in here. So it works fine. You don't have to worry about any bugs or glitches. So a lot of people use this client simply because of this reason. So that's something you can consider as well. So I hope that I was able to essentially make that work. I really hope that I was able to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the future videos.